In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make YouTube Shorts in ClipChamp 2026, step by step. We'll go from a blank project to a finished short that's ready to upload, keeping everything simple, vertical, and under 60 seconds so it qualifies for YouTube Shorts. Start by opening ClipChamp in your browser or desktop app and sign into your account. Once you're in, create a new project by selecting Create a New Video. This opens the editor with an empty timeline where all your clips will come together. Before you add anything, set the canvas to vertical. Click the aspect ratio button and choose 9:16. This vertical format is required for YouTube Shorts and ensures your video fills the screen on mobile without black bars. Now bring in your media. Click Import Media and select your video clips, images, and any audio you plan to use. Drag and drop also works if that's faster. When the files appear in your media bin, drag them down into the timeline and arrange them in the order you want. You can move clips left or right to change the sequence and stack assets if you're layering overlays or text elements. Trim and tighten your story. Use the trim handles at the edges of each clip to shorten them and use the split tool at the playhead to cut out moments you don't need. Keep the total duration under 60 seconds. Short, punchy pacing is key. Aim for quick cuts, remove dead air, and get to the point fast. Add text next. Open the text panel and drop in a bold hook within the first 1 to 3 seconds to grab attention immediately. Then add captions to keep viewers engaged, especially when sound is off. Choose high contrast colors, readable fonts, and keep lines short. Position text away from the very bottom so it doesn't clash with YouTube's on-screen buttons. For audio, open the content library and head to music. Choose a background track or a trending sound that matches your vibe. Keep music volume low enough that dialogue stays clear, around a subtle bed works well, and stick to tracks you have permission to use. Enhance the look with filters to create a consistent style, add transitions between clips for smoother flow, and sprinkle in stickers or overlays to highlight key moments without cluttering the frame. Preview everything by pressing play. Watch all the way through and check timing, caption readability, and audio levels. Make any quick fixes you notice. When you're happy, click Export and choose 1080p for crisp quality. After it renders, go to YouTube and upload your video as a short. Make sure it's vertical, under 60 seconds, and add a clear title plus hashtags like shorts. You're done. Publish and watch it perform.